And it's not going to always come easy sometimes. It takes time. Sufyan al-Thawri rahimahullah, he said, for 10 years I hated my tahajjud prayer. I still prayed it, but for the next 10 years I tolerated it. And then for the next 10 years I fell in love with it. It doesn't come easy sometimes. Ibadah doesn't come easy. But that is the only way. To persist and to struggle with it is the only way. So ikhwati, my brothers and sisters in Islam, have you ever seen a soccer match or a basketball match where people don't warm up? Yeah, if you don't warm up, right? Or a boxing match, for example. If you don't warm up, you don't get your muscles and you stretch your muscles ready, you're going to eventually lose. You're going to have a stitch or something or the other. You're going to pull a hamstring and then off you go. Correct? If you don't prepare for Ramadan, that's what's going to happen to you. You're going to have a stitch. You're going to pull a muscle. Of course, you're not going to pull a muscle or a stitch, but what's going to happen is, first day Ramadan comes, it's wow, it's exciting. Second day comes, I'm thirsty. Third day comes, I'm hungry. Fourth day comes, it's like, I'm dead. Right? That's exactly what happens. Don't do that to yourself. Prepare by fasting now. Tahajjud, first night comes, Taraweeh, mashallah, the masjid is overflowing. You need 2 isnas now. Second day comes, you only need 1.5 isna. Third day comes, isna is enough. Fourth day comes, you don't need isna. Isn't it true? It's exactly what happens. You know why? Because we are the Ramadan warriors. But guess what? Without preparation, you're not much of a warrior. You're not much of a warrior with ibadah. Prepare now. It was authentically reported that the Prophet ﷺ did not fast in any month, all of the month other than Ramadan, except for the month right before Ramadan, which is Sha'ban. So he fasted all of Sha'ban. So prepare for the month of Ramadan by fasting all of Sha'ban. Every day. Yeah, every day. Fast. Start now. Follow it up with fasting in Ramadan. Fasting in Sha'ban. Follow it up with easy fasting in Ramadan, inshaAllah ta'ala. Also, your tahajjud and qiyam al-layl. If you want to make it easy for you, then start today. Start now. Ya ikhwati, don't become a Ramadan warrior. Be of those people who fast now and who pray now in preparation. And another thing, of course, it's very difficult to give your zakat only on that day. You have to get into a habit of giving sadaqah now. Sadaqah starts now. Yeah? Sadaqah starts now. And remember, Sha'ban, which is the month just before Ramadan, is like the 2 rak'ahs of Fajr. Just like Fajr, remember, has 2 rak'ahs. Fajr, 2 rak'ah, the obligatory prayer has 2 rak'ahs before it, right? So in the same way, ikhwati, Ramadan, which is obligatory fasting, has the month of Sha'ban before it. So that you can also pray the 2 rak'ahs. And just like, for example, Dhuhr has 2 rak'ah sunnah right after Dhuhr, in the same way Ramadan has the 10 days of Shawwal to fast as well. That's why they are called the mu'akkada fasts, meaning the very highly recommended fasts. Because if you do that, then you've not only followed the sunnah of the Prophet, you've also prepared from an easy Ramadan.